DTLRcom review. Is DTLR legit or a scam? DTLRcom review. Is DTLR legit or a scam? DTLRcom is a well-known retailer for sneakers, streetwear and urban fashion. But if you're shopping online, you might ask, is DTLRcom a legitimate store, or is it risky to place an order? Most people get this wrong by assuming that all online sneaker stores are trustworthy. The surprising truth is that DTLRcom is legitimate. It has been in business for years, offers secure payment methods, and sells authentic products from popular brands like Nike, Adidas, and Jordan. Customers report receiving their orders accurately and on time. You won't believe what happens next: that many fashion retailers, occasional complaints appear about out-of-stock items, limited sizes, or delayed shipping during peak periods. However, these issues don't indicate a scam. Higher standard in e-commerce. To shop safely, make sure you're on the official DTLRcom website, check return policies, and read product reviews. Signing up for their newsletter can also alert you to exclusive deals and restocks. In conclusion, DTLRcom is a legitimate and reliable retailer for sneakers and streetwear. By following basic online shopping precautions, you can confidently make purchases and enjoy authentic products from your favorite brands.